G'day, here's a small parcel of Nobby material from Lightning Ridge. A lot of it's on black potch, so should get some nice bright stones out of this, I hope. Rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted. We'll just zoom in a bit. I haven't moved the pieces in relation to each other. When you saw the distant pictures there earlier. Not every piece might have colour in it, but there is some pieces there with potential. I'm looking at this first time as well, so whether that goes underneath the sand there. It's darker blue than what's showing in the picture there. How far it goes in though, it's hard to know. Electric greens. Been a vertical piece that, you can see how it's laid down that way across the stone. Colour bar showing through there. Whereas this piece is horizontal. Colour bar goes back underneath there, I think. It's poking out around here. Blue greens there. Colour over on that side. Some of the skin. Bit too sandy, that bit, I think. Little blue bar there showing through. Bit more sort of crystal, that piece. Lighter material, colour bar there is fairly evident. Blue crystal. I think that gives you an idea of what you're looking at for your money. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.